In front of me is Cubot X70 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. And use this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to turn it off. As you can see, my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that Autofill is off. To switch it back on, click on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!